So what is Embodied Eros? Basically, Embodied Eros, soul-aligned sex ed and conscious lovership, is an online course that shares with all of us everything that I feel like we never learned in sex ed in school, and also how to relate to different ways of being with sexuality in a way that's actually positive and healing and growth oriented and pleasurable and playful and happy and nourishing. So I believe we never really got taught these ways. We didn't get taught how to be lovers. We didn't even get taught how to understand pleasure with ourselves. So like everything that I do, we're going to start with self first and then go through 6 modules that I believe are important to understand to orient towards relating sexually in a healthy, expansive way. And my goal really is to give you the skills and the tools and the understandings of how to have just so much more possibility available to you in that space for authentic connection to self and others, and also expansion in that space, because sex is a very powerful energy. So I'll be teaching you all how to be in reverence with that. I'll be teaching you all obviously the basics of consent, which I believe are the roots and the pillars for how to have healthy relating in general. And also just all these skills. So for example, how to work with power play in ways that are healthy, how to work with tantra in ways that are informed, how to be with the sensual, just physical body in a way that's informed, and how to be with emotional and psychological dynamics in ways that are informed in the sexual space. Because I really want to empower you with these tools so you can do this really well and get to be the human that you are, that we are, and get to experience the senses and this powerful energy that we all have the blessing of access to in a way that feels amazing, to be truly honest. I'm really tired of how much sex has been abused and distorted by various forms in this world. And I really want to empower you all with the information to understand how to use it in the way that I believe it was meant to, which is for healing, for life-giving energy, for vitality, and for play and connection to something bigger than ourselves. So if this lights you up, if this is interesting to you, if you know that there's something more to sex and you just haven't really understood what it is, if you are really comfortable in your body but don't really have as access to spirituality and sexual relating, or the opposite, you're very connected to your spirituality but you don't have as much understanding of the somatic body and sexual engagement, if you've just been like kind of scared of sex in general and mystified by it, this is definitely for you. And just if you're curious to learn more about how to relate in ways that are really amazing, this course is for you. So I just wanted to get on here and share my excitement. This again has been years of culmination, of integration. Integration is really important to me, and everything that I do is how do I really pull all the pieces that I feel like are the most juicy and put them all together to share in ways that evoke beauty and expansion and connection. So I'm so excited to share with you. I hope you join me. We start officially next Tuesday on October 14th, launching today even more on the full moon, and Thursday from 10 to 11:15 PST will be a soft meet and greet and a soft intro for those of you who are interested. So yes, would love to have you. This is going to be really beautiful. I'm so excited to hold this space. I hope to see you there. Private message me if you're interested. There's also more information on the Facebook page, and I look forward to weaving with you if you feel the call.